What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to learn how to play Truth Hurts by Lizzo on the good old uke. But as always, before we start this video, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray if you haven't already. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, I'd love you forever if you gave this video a thumbs up. That basically just tells YouTube that this video is awesome and it will hopefully, fingers crossed, share it out to more people, and that's how we grow this channel. So again, I would love you forever if you gave this video a big old thumbs up and also leave some comments in the comment section below. That would be awesome. But yeah, with all that promo-y stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and learn this song. This song is super simple in that it only has two chords, and those chords are C and A. Also, I do want to note that this is the Nova U series from Enya Ukulele. It's absolutely amazing. I do have another one that I played in the play along, linked in the description, also up here in black, but this one is the baby blue. They have 5 different colors, and I'll leave a link in the description to the Amazon and also to the Enya website so you can check out all the other ukes that they have. This one in particular is really cool because it has an amazing cutout and it just looks really awesome. It's like something that I've never seen before. And the actual uke is made out of carbon fiber. So one, it's super durable and also gives an amazing sound, as you will hear in the play along and in this video. So if you want to go check it out, links to everything will be in the description. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play those 2 chords, let's move on to the strumming or the mini play along. I got you. I'm gonna go put a skip to section right here so you can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. I wouldn't expect you to sit through the chords if you know how to play them already. And again, I did do a full play along. I'll link it right up here. That basically just has the chords and the lyrics on screen while I'm playing the entire song, so you can just, again, play along. That's why the video is called a play along. You can play along to the video, so I'll leave everything in the link up here, also link in the description and top comments. So I would love for you to check that video out too. That'd be awesome. I don't know why I'm talking like this. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play a C or an A minor, I just started playing, please help me. Don't worry, I got you. This is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on how to play each chord, and then we're gonna move on to the strumming. So if you wanna know how to play the chords, then just keep on watching. But before we talk about chords, let's talk about how we number the strings. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's talk about the frets. So on this uke, it might be a little bit harder to tell, but you can see you have these notches right here. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So if you need a little bit more time, make sure to pause this video, take a look at your uke, make sure you're familiar with the anatomy of the uke, with the strings, the frets. Once you have that all down, you can press play, and let's go talk about the chords. So as always with every tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will be putting a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke right here. I feel like it's just a lot easier to see them as well as to hear instructions. So let's pick up our uke, and the first chord that we're going to play is the C chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my ring finger and I like to place it on the 1st string, which again is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next and last chord for this song is the A minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are the 2 chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time with these chords, make sure to again click the pause button and just get really familiar with the finger positioning for each chord, and then also transitioning between the chords. So once you get that down, press play, and let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. Alright, so we just talked about chords. Let's talk about how we're going to play the song. So how I like to play this song is with a down chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's do it one more time. I have the C chord down, and let's do that strumming pattern with the chuck in 3, 2, 1. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's do it one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now, if you were wondering how to do a chuck and you want to learn, basically you're just going to be muting the strings. Once you strum down with your finger, you're going to mute. So let's do it again in 3, 2, 1. Just strum down and then mute. So obviously you want to do that quicker. So you're going to strum, mute, and then you can do it quicker. And then quicker. And then eventually you're just going to sound like this. So again, your finger is going to strum all 4 chords, and the palm of your hand is going to go on the uke right after you strum it. So again, it's just going to be. So if you're like, Ricky, I don't really even want to play the chuck in the strumming, I'm not there yet, or I just don't like it, you can actually substitute the chuck with a down strum. So instead of doing a down, chuck, up, chuck, up, you can change it to down, down, up, down, up. So for the strumming pattern, you're going to play that once for each chord. So it's going to alternate between the C and the A minor chord. So let's start with the C chord, and let's do the strumming pattern in 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to go to A minor. And then C again. And then A minor. So it's going to go literally back from C to A minor. So that strumming pattern is going to be played once. But also if you're like, Ricky, I don't even want to do a strumming pattern. I'm not even there yet. I'm still trying to coordinate the whole singing and the chords. You can literally just do down strums. So it could be like, why men great till they gotta be great. So whenever you see the chord change, just strum down. You can strum with your thumb, just down, and it will sound just as good. Again, I'll leave the entire chord sheet with basically that just means the lyrics and chords in the description below, so you can copy and paste it and save it for later, so you can have it for yourself. But yeah, once you see the chord change, just strum down and it'll sound just as good. So now that we've talked about the chords and how we play this song, let's see how everything gets packaged together in the mini play along in 3, 2, 1. Why men great till they gotta be great? Woo! I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then a something, that's the goddess in me. Coulda had a bad bitch, non-committal. Helped you with your career just a little. You're supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back, and that's the sound of me not calling you back. Alright, congratulations, you now know how to play Truth Hurts by Lizzo on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, what are you doing? Click that red subscribe button below, it looks a little bit like this. And click the bell notification if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And follow me on Instagram, it's just at Ricky Somborn. We've hit 54,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. Send me a DM saying hi and what video you came from YouTube, and I would love to chat and get to know you. And if you're interested in this uke, again, I will leave all the links in the description below for this Enya ukulele. It does come in 5 colors, so if you want black, orange, white, pink, blue, you can choose which ones you like, what color you want, and it comes with a bunch of other accessories like a strap, a tuner, and a capo, and a few other things. So definitely check that out if you want to get this beautiful carbon fiber ukulele. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I really do enjoy hanging out, getting to learn new music, and just really, relaxing and having a good time. So if you did have a good time, again, thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.